West Indies coffee recipe. Hey, everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today, we're going to take a trip to the beautiful West Indies with a delicious and exotic twist on a classic favorite West Indies coffee. Ingredients: strong brewed coffee, dark rum, coconut milk, brown sugar, whipped cream, ground nutmeg, for garnish. Optional: vanilla extract or cinnamon for extra flavor. Instructions. First, we'll start by brewing a strong cup of your favorite coffee. You can use any method you prefer, French press, drip, or even espresso. Now, let's add a generous shot of dark rum to our mug. This is where we infuse that distinct Caribbean flavor. Next, we'll add a splash of creamy coconut milk. It adds a tropical richness to our West Indies coffee that you're going to love. To sweeten things up, let's add a spoonful of brown sugar. Feel free to adjust the sweetness to your liking. Now, pour in that strong, hot coffee, filling the mug almost to the brim. The aroma alone will transport you to the sunny shores of the West Indies. And now, for the pièce de résistance, a big, fluffy cloud of whipped cream on top. Don't be shy, pile it on. To finish off our West Indies coffee, we'll sprinkle a dash of ground nutmeg over the whipped cream. It adds a hint of warmth and spice that perfectly complements the flavors. Ah, that's the taste of paradise right there. I hope you give this recipe a try and let us know how it turns out. Thanks for joining us today. Until next time, cheers to good vibes and great coffee.
Free ebook. Starbucks Liqueurs Coffee. The adult alcohol. Worth $5.99. Link to description. https://tinyurl.com. 3 Coffee Lover.